Hello and welcome to the world of Rob the Builder. In this world, we have tons of helpful, fun, and hardworking trucks who keep this world in one piece. And some wonder, what's so cool about this little town? And manufacturing, of course.
Rob the Builder.
Let's go build it.
Rob the Builder.
What's so cool?
Are you almost done fixing my barn, Rob?
Oh no, sorry Farmer Cucumber, I'm out of the right kinds of bricks.
I can help. I'll go get more. We need lots of types of bricks. What do you have?
We only have one kind.
I wish there was more options.
Don't you even think about going to Glengarry.
Let's see if we can replace Crud's bricks and make Rob's world even cooler with Glengarry.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit about the mining process on site?
Sure. So the mining, it pretty much involves finding the right material, and then what we do is we drill down about 20 to 30 feet, see if the material is suitable for brick. If it is, we get the proper permits, work with the state, work with the township, and then we excavate down and grind that material up, and then it's molded and then fired.
My bricks are super high quality. Where's my for me?
No, they are not, Crud.
Well, we do everything from mining our own material to making sure that we fire them at the proper temperature, to making sure we inspect the quality, to making sure that we test it to make sure that they meet all the standards.
Wow, I need some high quality bricks for my project. What bricks do you recommend?
Yeah, I would recommend our extruded and our molded brick.
Okay, so what projects are glass bricks used for?
Here at Glengarry, we do a lot of glass bricks for names and sayings, a lot for schools. Okay, here's a brick I made up for Schuylkill Valley School District for the middle school.
Wow, these are great. Thanks for helping me find the right types of bricks.
When you need the best, Glengarry passes the test.
Wait, my bricks are better.
Rob the Builder.
Thanks, Glengarry. Now I can fix Farmer People's barn.
Rob the Builder.
What's so cool?